Hello and assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome back on my YouTube channel. As you all know, I have already uploaded the episode 1 of this series, and this is the episode 2 of the basic things of MS Excel. Okay, so first of all, I'm going to explain you how to insert or delete columns, cells, and rows. Okay, so I have already created a small database as you can see on my screen, right? So if you want to insert blank cell, first I'm talking about the cell. Okay, so if you want to insert blank cell, so you have to select the range of cells or the particular cell where you want to insert. Right. So first of all, you have to select that. After selecting, you have to click on the right. You have to just right click. There are more than one ways. So one by one, I'm going to show you. Okay. Suppose here in percentage column, I am selecting three cells, the range of cells I have selected, and the first way is I can simply right click here, and after right clicking I can see there are so more options, but I have to click on insert option, right? So when I click on insert option, now this dialog box will appear. So now it is visible to me, and here are four options: shift cells right, shift cells down, entire row, or entire column. What does it mean? If you will click on shift cells right and then you will click OK, then the each cells will be shifted on your right side. And if you will click on the cells down, then the each cell will be inserted on the down of your cells, and each means the range you have already selected. And if you will click on entire row, then the all the cell will be inserted to the इंटायर रो मीन्स द जो भी रो मैंने सिलेक्ट किया हुआ है यहाँ पे, लाइक 101 102 103, दीज कबीर मानस करण नेम जो है यहाँ पे, these three are rows, right? So these three rows are only selected, so the entire row means only these three. In these three rows the cells will be inserted, and entire column means the entire जो भी ये जो मुझे कॉलम दिख रहा है 1 2 3, so the cells will be inserted on each column. So I'm going to show you one by one. Suppose I have clicked here, shift cells right and OK. So you can see my cells are inserted on the right side, right? So now I am going to undo. And I have told you in my previous video also what is undo and redo. So now you can understand it better. Like if I will, there are two ways. First one, this is undo button. See, this now my work is undone, right? And there are another way also. With the help of shortcut key, you can simply press Ctrl plus Z with the help of your keyboard, and also you can undo. And the totally reverse is redo. This is your redo. Let me show you. See, now I have done redo. From here, these undo and redo feature are available to you on your quick access toolbar, and also you can do it with the help of shortcut key Ctrl plus Z for undo and Ctrl plus Y for redo. So I am going to again undo. Done? Okay. So this was the one way. First you need to select the range of cell, and then you have to right click, and then you have to click on insert option, and then you will get four options. So whichever you feel that you need to go, you need to do, then you have to click there. Another way is you can simply see, I have already selected home tab, right? So in the sales group there are three options. You have to click on insert. After clicking on insert option, you can see insert sales, insert sheet rows, insert sheet columns, or insert sheet. So I'm just telling about you insert cells right now. So I will click on insert cells, and also you can see the same option is visible to you. So now this time I'm going to select shift cells down. So now you will see the cells will be inserted to you down. You can see the one, टू थ्री, मतलब पूरा व्हाट डज इट मीन कि आपके जो डेटाबेस के नीचे में डाउन में ये थ्री सेल्स जो है ना सिलेक्ट हो गए, बिकॉज मैंने थ्री ही सिलेक्ट किया था. आई कैन जस्ट undo it, control plus z. Okay, so this is the way you can you can insert cells, and similarly you can insert column or row as well. So for that you have to just click on insert and then insert sheet rows. See, insert sheet rows means जो हमारा rows जहाँ पे मैंने select किया था, first of all you need to select where you want to insert. तो वहीं पे ये हमारा 3 rows क्या हो गया, insert हो गया. I am again going to undo. Okay, now see the insert sheet columns. See, अभी यहाँ पे मैंने select कर रखा था, तो मेरे जो भी columns insert हुए वो यहीं पे हुआ. It will depend where you have selected, right? So this is the way, and I have explained you two ways. First, you need to right click and then you can see here insert option. This is of insert cells. Okay. And another I have told you, click on insert and then you can see the options: insert cells, rows, column and sheet. If you will click on insert sheet, so you can see the another sheet is available to you, and I have told you very simple way. What is that? Just click on plus sign, new sheet will be created. Now come on the sheet 2. On which sheet we were? This is the sheet 2, sheet 3 and this is sheet 1. है ना? Okay, so when you will create a database properly, then you will get to know things in detail. Whenever you will work, then you will know it. And there are some shortcut keys, like I have inserted a column here, and if you need to delete it, so for deleting you can just click here delete option on the sales group home tab, sales group and delete option, and then you can click here delete cells, then your cells will be deleted. Delete sheet rows, then your sheet rows will be deleted. So this is the way you can delete. Okay, but the another point is you can delete by the shortcut key also, control plus minus. So I'm going to do that, control plus minus. Then also when I click control plus minus now, so I can see that delete dialog boxes appears on the screen. So you can just select the option whichever suitable for you, shift cells left or up or row or column. Like shift cells left, then okay. See, my cell is, this cell is deleted. Okay. Control plus minus, you need to remember the shortcut key, and when you will click control plus only na, then the insert dialog box will appear. I am repeating, control plus minus, then your delete dialog box will appear, control plus sign, then your insert dialog box will appear, and then you can just do your work according to you. So this was the way to insert a blank cell, row or a column, and similarly of deleting. And also I have told you how to undo and redo, right? Because बहुत बार ऐसा होता है कि हम लोग कुछ कर जाते हैं और मुझे फील होता है नहीं नहीं मुझे पहले जैसा ही चाहिए था. So you can just do that with the help of shortcut keys. And also if you don't know the shortcut key, then this is the undo feature, delete, undo, and this is of redo. Okay, then that's all for today's class. In the next video, I will explain you some another topic. So stay tuned and please support me. So if you find that my video is useful for you, then please hit the bell icon, like and share my video. Thank you.